the kitchen sink. In 2026, it's not just where you wash dishes, it's the command center of your home. But if you're renovating this year, you've likely hit a crossroads. Bocchi versus Ruvati. One is the master of old-world Italian fire clay. The other is the king of high-tech workstation efficiency. Today, we're breaking down the materials, the tech, and the 2026 design trends to help you decide which one belongs in your countertop. Let's dive in. First, let's talk vibes. Bocchi is rooted in European tradition. They've been around since 1950, and they specialize in the art of fire clay. Their sinks are fired at over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, resulting in an organic, timeless look. Then there's Ruvati. While they do great fire clay, they've made their name through innovation. They pioneered the workstation concept, turning your sink into a multifunctional prep station. If Bocchi is a classic Italian villa, Ruvati is a high-end professional chef's kitchen. Material is where the rubber meets the road. Bocchi's edge is their legendary fire clay. It's non-porous and heat-resistant, but the real secret is their Clean Plus technology. It's a hydrophobic surface that repels water and prevents limescale. If you hate water spots, this is for you. Ruvati's edge is their 16-gauge T304 stainless steel. It's 25% thicker than standard sinks. Plus, their Noise Defend tech uses extra thick rubber pads to kill that annoying clanging sound of dishes. Pro tip: if you go Ruvati fire clay, many of their models are reversible, giving you a smooth front on one side and a fluted pattern on the other. 2 looks, 1 sink. So, which one fits your 2026 aesthetic? Choose Bocchi if you're leaning into organic modern or modern farmhouse. Their matte finishes, like matte gray or sapphire blue, pair perfectly with white oak cabinets. It becomes a soft architectural centerpiece. Choose Ruvati if you're a home chef or have a compact kitchen. In 2026, functional minimalism is huge. Ruvati's built-in ledges let you chop, rinse, and dry directly over the basin, saving massive amounts of counter space. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check the link in the description for links on where to buy these sinks from rtakb.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.